Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be undecorating from Halloween. It is November 2nd. Yes, as I am filming this, and yeah, it's time to get Halloween all taken down, which makes me sad because Halloween is my absolute favorite holiday, but I put everything up so early this year that I'm kind of ready for it to come down. So one thing that I did want to do, I mentioned this in my Halloween Decorate With Me video, was as I was going through all of my decorations when I was putting stuff out, I realized there was a lot that I didn't want to keep anymore. I kind of want to start having more like classy Halloween decorations and not necessarily all like the, you know, kid-friendly ones. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna go through, like, I have a lot of like window clings and like those fake cobwebs and stuff like that. Like, I want to get rid of all of that stuff. So I'm gonna go through what I have left in my bin that I didn't end up putting out and probably get rid of some of that stuff, declutter that stuff before I put away the new stuff. Oh, my cats are fighting. Hey, it's this one. It's this one. She's always the troublemaker. You're a troublemaker. Look at her just looking over at her sister. Like, leave her alone. Okay, well, anyways, now that they're not fighting anymore, let's just go ahead and get right on into it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started by removing everything out of the bin. So what I did was when I took down everything from fall and put up the Halloween stuff, I just put everything back into the bin. So I'm going to take every item out and I'm going to decide what I want to keep. Anything that I decide that I don't want anymore, I'm just going to toss into a pile on the floor, and then that will go in the trash bin or the donation bin. Probably most of it's trash. But yeah, and then once I have everything out and have decided on what I'm going to keep, then I can go through and start putting everything back. And I'm just going to take down the decorations as I go. I'm going to start in the living room with the end tables and the entertainment stand and the bookshelves, and then we will go into, I'm just going to bring the decorations from the kitchen and the dining room into the living room and just put that all away and get that box all organized. Because as of right now, there's so much stuff in here that I don't even want to keep anymore, that it's just, it's piling up, and I won't even be able to fit everything back in there because I did buy some new decor pieces this year. So I won't even be able to keep everything in there. So I got to go through this and make some decisions as to what I want to keep.
We are kings of the world, and anywhere we slow down, we are kings of the world. Kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world. And tonight is something, girl, we are kings of the world. And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world.
watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the...
Okay, so I have finished putting away the Halloween decorations and the fall decorations. So now I just need to kind of put everything back together and as best as I can, because I ordered some, I have to order some pillowcases, just like everyday pillowcases. I'm probably just gonna order them off Shein because that's where I got the holiday ones, and I really like them. They're really good quality. So I'm gonna order some Christmas ones as well as just some everyday ones to go on these pillows. But as of right now, I don't have anything to put on them. So I think I'm just gonna put my old pillowcases, my old throw pillows from my bedroom out on there for now until these ones come in. So that is my plan. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up the room, tidy it up, and just kind of like put everything back together, because of course everything's always a mess a little bit after you take down decorations and you have to kind of like rearrange everything. So that's what we're gonna do now.
'Cause you have a piece of my heart, and I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. If you stay. If you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. If you stay. Oh, if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known.
I wanted to go ahead and dust these shelves because I'll be honest with you guys, I hardly ever dust these shelves. It's just such a pain because I have so much stuff on there that I have to take off in order to properly dust. So I'll be honest, I dust these shelves like maybe twice a year, and I definitely need to get better about that.
I'm coming home. You were only like a friend till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching a flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place I've always known. Home, home. Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone.
as you guys can see, my garbage pile was getting out of hand, so I had to go ahead and change the garbage can. I had so much stuff that I wanted to get rid of, so it was starting to overflow. So I'm just going to carry on and finish up with just doing my general tidying and cleaning up for the day, and that's pretty much going to be it for this video. I still have the kitchen to clean, so make sure you follow along and let me know in the comments down below. Do you have more Halloween decorations or do you have more Christmas decorations? I feel like most people probably have more Christmas. I definitely do, which is weird since Halloween is my favorite holiday. You'd think I would have more Halloween stuff. Like, I would love to be the house on the block that has their house all completely done up for Halloween, like just has everything that you can possibly think of for decorations outside and inside. Like, one day that's gonna be me.
I'm coming home. I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under, one step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder, and the clouds are closing in. You say I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. If someone had told me that I will be strong, I'm gonna...
Alright, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video and that it gave you a little bit of motivation. Let me know in the comments down below if it did. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.